Hey y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Today, this the fourth vlog. We got back-to-back Los vlogs. So, let's go, y'all. Let me know down in the comments if y'all notice the camera quality and how it's hitting. Cause it looked different, and I know y'all know. I got a phone. So I'm about to hop in Lo's car. I'm about to go for a drive. You got a sunroof though? Shit. That's better than a hard top with no air. This might actually be a hard ass POV video. She don't like her boyfriend Corvette because she feel like a pet inside it. Like in the passenger seat, like she don't like it because it's like driver oriented. You know what I mean? Like it's not meant for like a second person. It got 2 seats, but like. How much y'all wanna bet it's gonna be a Corvette truck?
Corvette truck?
Yeah.
Like, it's gonna be called the Corvette truck, is what you saying?
Yeah. JTSpeeds up on the stuff. I been knew that years ago, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, this is weird, y'all. I'm about to put the camera down. I'm going to the fuel station. Robert, you good, bro? E400.
Just came back to get a snack. A little.
Have you driven an RX show?
Yeah.
They push?
Yeah.
Like more than a TRX or?
Like, off the line, yeah, it's fast.
What? It sound good or?
It's not better than, it don't sound better than TRX, because it's an inline twin turbo.
Is it like kind of as loud at least? Nah.
It's like,
Seven problems. You used to say it'll be okay.
it's strictly acceleration. Like, it's
Right.
gonna get there quick as hell. And it's gonna stay up there. But we just don't got that TRX growl.
I can see that. They need a smaller truck to put that bitch in.
But then they just make a smaller truck. They just made a
Dakota?
it's called what's that?
Ram Charger?
Huh?
Ram Charger?
No, it's a
Rumblebee?
Yeah, the Rumblebee, yeah.
Yup.
They put the 6.2 back in that bitch. But it's smaller.
Mm-hmm. Alright, y'all, so I done driven like a couple Camaros, you feel me? He ain't gotta let me drive his car, bro. I need to learn how to drive a manual. So, 10 likes, y'all. 10 likes. And he ain't gotta let me drive his car. So, hit the like button. Okay? If Ian don't let me drive it, then y'all gotta, I don't know. He ain't gonna let me drive it, y'all. I look black and dirty.
Really, nigga?
We pulling up to the Shell right now. About to get some fuel. This nigga just back here knocked out. Robert, you want something to drink? What you want? Got you. Hey, who be at this show, man? Hit the like button. Don DeMarco for this show. I gotta download that on my new phone. But I already told y'all in the last vlog, bro. I'm not about to come in this bitch with my phone, so off. Delete. Y'all think Robert gonna be excited I got him a drink that he didn't ask for? Let me know down in the comments. Robert, is this, would you mess with this? Hey, he messed with it. Got me some Fago. I'm ready to go. Hit the like button, y'all. 5 likes. But then we gotta get 10. Because he ain't gotta let me drive his Camaro. They got a V8 and it's manual. I'm trying to feel how that feels, man. That Escalade up there, y'all. He mugged me. And I was trying to pull out of shell. He got me.
The Z06? The cat ain't fucking with the Z06. Because I didn't even know that the C8 Z06s wasn't supercharged. Them bitches ain't supercharged. Only the 7s is supercharged.
Yeah. The new Z06 is twin turbo. No. Nothing.
Yeah, natural aspect.
Yeah. This bitch is hard. The police just pulled this lady over, y'all. Y'all think they gonna pull me over here? The cops just pulled that lady over, bro. You need shoes to go into fucking business, though. You got... Am I glazing him, y'all? You're just over there. You know what I mean? Cutting into grandma, like what you doing? Why you driving so fast, grandma? Duh. I get it covered, bro. Duh. Oh, he's saying some shit, dude.
Let's get the way.
Yeah. Yep. Stop scaring the white people, man. Fucking monkey. Y'all, the cops, y'all. Los in here getting the tater tots. Here you go. I'm about to turn the vlog off, y'all. Alright, y'all. We leaving the spot now. We going back to Troy.
Niggas let me down. This would change, should've never be the same way. Happened to me again. I'm robbing dude when I see him. Niggas cap, I don't believe me either. True.
Alright, y'all. I'm about to close out this vlog. I don't know what to say exactly, but hit the like button. I know I said I was gonna end the vlog, but damn, look at this S3. The pipes on it is just sexy. Y'all know I love cars and just recording cars too, so. I know I said I was gonna end the vlog, but I didn't. Hey, we in there. Caddies. This car asks for oil, y'all. It's not gonna smoke, duh.
This shit got shit, I mean, immediate.
It's still hot, duh. It need oil immediately, dog.
When they say that, I mean, you gotta do that shit.
Yeah, so the car said it need oil immediately. If y'all couldn't understand, we're speaking like monkeys. So you gonna pour it like this.
Now let me do it, dog. Watch this, dog.
Record me though. I'm JTSpeeds. Come on.
Yeah, come on, dog.
Come on. You see that? We just gonna pour that whole bitch in there, dog.
Alright, that's one now. Go ahead, put
No, bro.
this other one too, dog. Dog, I done put a gallon in there.
Alright. Whatever you say, Captain Dumbass.
Look, dog. I know what I'm
Come on.
talking about. Look.
Alright, come on. We dumping gas. Oil.
Look,
Put
this
the
I
camera
told
up top.
This is what I told him now, dog. I put a gallon in here before, dog. When they say that shit, though, dog, it means it's empty. So I said, one bottle is just gonna have us back up next week, dog.
Bruh.
Because we be getting the money, dog. So, dog, we gotta put the oil. Look, he fucking up, dog. Alright, come on, JTSpeeds, go. You show us your speed, dog.
Show us the speed.
Yeah, dog, you gotta get back this order, dog.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you stayed until the end of the video, I need you guys to give yourselves a pat on the back. Hit the subscribe button. Join the Liftoff mob. Thank you. Let's give you a round of applause. Down to Marco. Shout out to y'all. Hit the like button. We need 10 likes to drive Ian's car. I'm going to put a picture of it. And you know what I mean? That last clip was basically us putting oil in the car and basically going to work. So I'm going to leave y'all off. It's JTSpeeds and I'm out. Peace.